Welcome back. This is Ms. Gergen, and we are working through the questions on the 2014 released Algebra 1 SOL test. We're on to question number 3, which reads, which expression is equivalent to the quantity 18c to the 8th d to the 9th divided by the quantity 9c to the 3rd d to the 6th? Assume the denominator does not equal 0. Well, hopefully we know that if we have a denominator equal to 0, our problem blows up, okay? However, this is not relative to what we're talking about here. This is where they're asking us to perform operations using coefficients and exponents. So what I suggest is that you group things that go together that are like terms. So in this case, I have an 18 over a 9 that are like terms because they're both integers. Then I have my c's. I have c to the 8th on top, c to the 3rd on the bottom. And then my last term is that I have d to the 9th over d to the 6th. Now notice I did not put addition or subtraction signs in between these groups because ultimately they're still being multiplied together. But what I'm going to do is simplify each piece. So 18 divided by 9 cancels to be 2. Which right off the bat tells me that the answer cannot be A and it cannot be D. Next, I look at my C's. We can expand C to the 8th as 8 C's being multiplied together. And we can expand C to the 3rd as 3 C's being multiplied together. Once we've done that, I can cancel what's on top and what's on bottom that are the same, because any number divided by itself is going to be 1. We know that because of our multiplicative inverse property. So ultimately, I'm left with 5 c's, which we write as c to the 5th. And I actually don't even need to finish my problem. I know that the answer is B because that's what has c to the 5th in it, as well as a 2. But for education purposes, let's go ahead and finish this out. I have an expanded form of 9 d's being multiplied together on top, and I have 6 d's that are being multiplied together on the bottom. Once I do my cancellation, I can subtract those exponents. The 9 on top minus the 6 on the bottom is going to leave me with d to the 3rd. Thank you very much.